Hello everybody. I wanted to talk to you about an issue that I'm having with this door. This is my 98, 99 Dodge pickup truck that I'm trying to fix. Let me turn this. Okay. So this door is the rear driver's side door. And when I first got the truck, this door wouldn't open. It was jammed shut. If you pulled on this lever, sometimes the top would kind of release and you could feel that, but the bottom would just stick and it wouldn't come loose at all. So I'm just going to show you really quick. I already took it apart. I already fixed the problem, but I'm just going to step you through what I did to fix it. This is a great example of basically you don't have to spend a lot of money on fixing your problem. You don't even have to worry about buying a bunch of new parts and a bunch of stuff that really isn't necessary. You just take a little bit of time to fix the problem by looking at your issue, and then you see what's wrong. So this door was jammed. What I did was I pulled it apart by removing, there's a Torx, this Torx bolt went in the handle here, and what it did was let me see if I can show you. It's kind of hard to show you with just one hand, but this Torx bolt is a T25, and it is behind this inside. So you open the handle door and it's in that hole right there. So I took that off, and then I removed the panel and took the panel off all the way, and you take this off, and then the door looks like this. Well, it still won't open. This hole was covered by, let's see if I can kind of temporarily put it back in so you know what it was or how it looked or whatever. Kind of tricky. Okay, so this piece was installed here, and this hole down here where my thumb is where there was a push clip that looked like this that you take out that holds this piece in, and then you just pull it out and you turn it to the side and it comes out. If you do that, then you have, I hope you can see, it's kind of dark, but you have access to the bottom latch. Well, like I said, the top latch would work, but the bottom latch wouldn't. And so what I had done is I took my pry bar here and I stuck it inside here, and I got a hold of the latch and I just pried on it so I put the deal underneath it and I pried on it to get it to open, and I just worked it and pried on it that way to get the latch to move on the bottom, because no matter what I did, when you would pull on the handle here, it wouldn't open. So I pried on the bottom part of the latch to get it free, and then so it opened up. Well, then I saw that like I had looked down here at the latch, inspected that, thought at first, well, maybe everything is really dirty, or there was something in here that jammed, causing it not to work right. Well, long story short, I had looked. I don't know if you can see this or not, but if you look inside the speaker hole, inside the door, these two rods, this one and that one, were really, really loose. And I thought, well, I gotta take this rod off of this clip and move it up so that I can get the door to open on the bottom. And there was just a ton of play here. And I realized both of these rods were just wiggling a lot. This one and the one for the top latch. Well, come to find out, this bolt right here, it's an 8mm bolt, and it was like halfway out. All I did was tighten that thing up and make it so that it was really tight where it should be, and it's not loose anymore. And now the door opens and closes great without any problems on the outside and the inside. So don't go spend a ton of money until you know what's your problem, because it could be as simple as, oh look, there's a little 8mm bolt that's loose. Tighten that up. It worked great. So now I'm back to getting this wiring harness out of this truck so I can put the other truck in, other wiring harness in from the diesel, and I'm changing out this whole heater core blower motor assembly to the diesel version, and that's what I'm going to do next. So stay tuned so that you can see the progress. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.